In the vast expanse of the cosmos, have you ever pondered upon the prophecies that bridge the gap between the seen and unseen? One such prophecy, shrouded in mystery and laden with hope, is that of the Imam Mahdi. Imam Mahdi, a figure rooted deeply in the Islamic tradition, is prophesied to emerge during a time of intense strife and confusion. Imagine a world in disarray, where justice has been replaced by oppression, truth by falsehood. In such a world, the prophecy foretells the rise of a leader, Imam Mahdi, endowed with divine wisdom and courage. The chronology of this prophecy begins with the birth of Imam Mahdi in the city of Medina. Born into the lineage of Prophet Muhammad, he is said to possess the Prophet's wisdom and strength. As the prophecy unfolds, he remains hidden from the world, preparing for the divine mission that awaits him. The prophecy then ushers in a period of chaos and turmoil, a time when the world is on the brink of collapse. Injustice reigns supreme, and the cries of the oppressed fill the air. It is at this critical juncture that Imam Mahdi, the guided one, steps into the light. With the banner of justice in his hand and the light of truth in his heart, he embarks on a mission to restore balance and order. He leads humanity out of darkness and into a new era of peace and prosperity, fulfilling the prophecy that has been foretold. To summarize, the prophecy of Imam Mahdi is a beacon of hope in a world consumed by darkness. It begins with his birth and an ensuing period of concealment. The world then plunges into chaos, setting the stage for his emergence. He then embarks on his mission, bringing justice and peace to a world in turmoil. This prophecy is not simply a tale from the pages of history. It is a message, a call to awaken the spirit of justice and compassion within us. It is an invitation to prepare ourselves for a world of peace and unity, a world that Imam Mahdi has prophesied to usher in. So, in the silence of the night, as you gaze upon the star-studded sky, remember the prophecy of Imam Mahdi. Remember the promise of a time when justice will prevail and peace will reign. For in this prophecy lies a message of hope, a message that transcends time and space, a message for all of humanity.